All right, so we're on a roll here. And why am I explaining that the half diminished is going to really travel 2 cages? Because let's face it, it starts off here looking something like a C minor. Now, why can I say it looks like a C minor? Because the purple notes are Dorian second. In E, it would be F sharp minor. The Dorian of E is F sharp minor. If you want to play the G sharp half diminished, or the half diminished in the major key of E, you just play an F sharp minor, okay, and add the 7th. All right. Another way to do it, but I don't recommend it, but it works, is just play a G sharp minor and diminish the 5th. Okay, I'll just repeat the first way. Play the 2nd minor in the mode. You know, the mode goes, this is E now. I got a band-aid on my finger. Sorry. I wanted to hit that B minor, and that's the one that you use for C. So it's F sharp minor. I mean, it works in all keys. If you're in the key of B, if you want to play, say you're in the key of B, right? All right, so B. How do you play B? Well, easy B. There's a B sticking. Look at me in the eye right there. So it's just, there's an A box B. Sorry, that was the open string. My eyes are going, but I mean, if I put on these, then I could see the strings, but then I can't. Then I can't do the, the couch potato distance. Well, actually, these are couch potato distance. So this is a compromise, so bear with me. If you see me going back like this, it's just to, make sure I get the right strings. There's an A-shaped B, and A goes to G, so it'd be, there's a G-shaped B arpeggio, right? And then G goes to what? G goes to E. Okay, so the Dorian of the B is C sharp minor, but you got to follow the B. You got to follow the B scale. So it'd be okay, and from there you just hit that 7th. So you just play a, I guess it's a C sharp minor. All right, so you go up 1, you play the C sharp minor, and you're going to hit the leading tone to the B, which is here, like that. Right there. See, I wanted to do it in the other key. It works in all keys, is the point. So let's move along here. So in the key of C, or whatever key you wish, this C here, I didn't mean to raise my voice, but this C, I got some fans going here. This C here is a C shape. It does not have to be the key of C. Okay, you're going to see plenty of shapes that are not. This particular is the D minor. Anything in the C box is usually C. So this would be a C minor shaped. This is a C-shaped C. C-shaped root. the C-shaped root, if this is the tuning nut, okay, then it's in the key of C. And you go up one here, so we're doing a little C thing here, da 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 da, right? Then we're going to just take it up a whole step, but do the minor. Look at the C minor shape. It doesn't go up to the little D shape because the third is flatted, right? So it goes up to there, okay? Remember, the flat third of the Dorian is F. The Dorian D mode, F sharp would be the third, so it flats to F, which is the fourth of C. Looks wrong. It looked wrong for a second there. It's like, wait a minute, it's flatting, but it's the fourth. Yeah, because you're going up one whole step in arpeggios. So to play that, here's the. And then. Okay, just getting some notes up there up top. Can't go wrong when they're colored. Or, when you just practice them enough, you're doing a D minor, you're not going to do anything to do with something surrounding it, because it's going to share nothing. Saying it doesn't share the same notes. C is 1 3 5 1. E minor is 3 5 7 3. Dorian's 2 4 6 2. Doesn't share any notes with anything around it, so that's why it's easy to play. I had a little bit of trouble getting the Dorian mode at first, using it in numbers. Here's the root shaped Dorian. Okay, so that's a G shape. You could start a G shaped Dorian from the 2 and just play a G shape, or even a G shaped pentatonic. You have to find that 2 though if you want to stay in the same key. So here's a 2. If I play a G shaped pentatonic, it's easier for me. Wait a second. That was wrong. Don't play a major G-shaped pentatonic when you're meaning to play a minor G-shaped pentatonic. So the minor G-shaped pentatonic, relative major is the A shape. So what would be played at that point to do a pentatonic that contains this is the A shape. But keep in mind, the major only shares 2 notes with its relative minor, okay? And if the relative minor, you're playing that only shares 2 notes with its relative, like, kind of diminished child, would be only share 2 notes with the half diminished. I call them parents and childs, but so relative is like, it's like almost like relative, like family. So keep that in mind, that although the pentatonic major encapsulates the minors, whatever minor it is, with A minor, its relative pentatonic major is C. It's only going to share like